The schedule is really interesting because Shirley Ryan AbilityLab works really hard to work me into the hospital as well as accommodate my career goals. So I do about 60-40 on working as a nurse rehab aide and shadowing professionals and assisting different nurses in different tasks. There's a lot of patient care.
One thing I've enjoyed about my internship so far is the people that I've been able to meet and the mentorship that they've been able to provide to me. So it's really nice to be able to get some guidance and some tips, and they're more than willing. Anyone in the office is more than willing to jump in and help me if I have any questions or just need any general advice about the office life or like outside life.
One thing that I've enjoyed the most about my internship so far that's really stood out to me is being able to be involved in patient care. I know that most of us have been on the receiving end of medical care, but it's really something else with Shirley Ryan AbilityLab to be able to provide something for the patients and be involved in any way in their care.
Interacting with the coworkers is definitely the best part about working in HR because everyone is extraordinarily nice and they all have a sense of camaraderie in a way, and everyone's relationship is really close. And I really like working in that sort of environment in HR because it makes you feel more comfortable working and it makes you feel less afraid to make mistakes because then you know you have nice people to back you up and pick you up whenever you fall.
My outlook for the future has shifted really positively. It's been a very big deal to be able to transition from my really strong academic background to some more hands-on work, especially being able to shadow and watch procedures and just really be on my feet in the hospital with Shirley Ryan AbilityLab. It's really cemented where I'm going and made the hard work feel very much worth it.